Ma me fana say ma PENDREAM TV de osia dem yopo yanto aso nkoya nim na eye obabi wa bomoden afa camera de selanim na ensam waka edi acha Excellency the President of the Republic and na Monday ensure toye ene niema esisi ye na all related to say wo mampani John Dramani Mahama sa niema esisi no kura no me pese ye hwe video nimra say ye hwe ba e betre adwene wo sa asemi ho ye hwe mra nto aso
uti flight mu na why say unkuwa wo baye circle how many times unkuwa wo betina so circle how many times mo sie ne ntwe baku 32 wasasiase simply because by hook or crook so the dia say din ketia ye ni pese sami jemfi sam George dia sam no manka sa flag we dey hu dida e wo se ye push pan shoto awe dey push unkuwa wo baye amagana bre emana mo sie ne doso amagana wadi we chese wadi yankasa unkuwa wo baye yakoka yesema yemen kasa wo uti flight wo yo be men kasa wo faka manka wo nanti gana asase so manka wo beti pen wasa warehouse kura ne mefa nso fa ne ma warehouse ama so nkofo so gina mu yidi o mu pe don ko minu no ade bi wo papa yenye nso wo de also be ye wo play mu na wo check 24-hour economy man wo check 24-hour market a wo be simamba o mu ko fi o mu hu be bonti no ma ko jare because o mu ko du fia o mu kunu be ka so mu jare o mu bon wo e ma ma ke kana be nonsense sa so be ko to da ba na be start with central region obi a be start to be central region ka ko be trase to be na we ko isi oto ka ko da no di na nche nkran sa Beyonce ni nche na ni pandwene ne ho so wan wuti ha wosu mfa ma ye friend say e hwan from omu ye adwuma no wo be man krofufufu mfa ma assembly mfa ma sanitation bio anya wa sa sanitation for disika ya continue na breast sanitation for mfa nya hwe na wo ba je fi sanitation for na wo je ye no anya wa seko hwe no seko shikata Misho tonshina baby shi. Hey! Who ya do? Unkwa huba eja shishi. Hey Mr. Pat. Unda by perfect intro. Esa uja Pat. Saga wide. Udi sa Pat na nebe ye bibiamo. Entu tuko suno wakisi nje. Utire biangasa. Sawa sa kwa alumi abadi. Na nadu train na okoto yemi. Nidi okofa baye. The same thing. Wasa akota alumia wasa akotoka frubai asa abakuro mu habi adenti na wotete wo musa wono wa na kwa challenge train na masa akoto no Minister of Highways and den eyi ye friend say train na wa ma akoto aba no train dey say mo ntwitwa na alumia as soon as possible na mo anton mu na dey asema. Is it that is incompetency or what? Train ye wobi na do je bi sort of so be power no na aye adwuma no wasa akofa konko aba saa na ete na akofa budu na sibai wasa akofa konko na do train na akoto bae ne de wo to bae na the same thing na ye papa we kura dan ya trains kana nka odi makokofo ana say necessary uchi ya anka hono no so be problem jama ngo funa akoto train wo mo no ne o ma san contract wa kakra be de tiro mu be chedi afoti wiem na wayesi ade o ma ne ye kwa wo flight chopper ne kwa helicopter me barba be kasa helicopter e na wo de koye e be de na hunte wiem na wo hwe Ghana de boso ngo fu ye adwuma wo ba wa ba tu se o mu sanitation from Ministry of Sanitation o mu ye wo asu we je fi o nse 1 year 6 months ni you see Accra for yourself company na boka flooding afa ne ma ngo fu su dina mu yi Mahama who pay Van Dam. He never seems to amaze me padasini. And I will to bail him, like bail who to water bail him. I dare say we are winning. Try your walk to betray, Yenny was a Yergofa, I took to Kukana Yergofadi. What we are not toying, is it false? I say wo person ni NPP for ni e challenge is it force sika na ye hia dia ya de nya mi ne hia asa ko fa konko ada nebwa 24-hour economy market man hospitals sisi ko unye insho ya tutelesi e be wi atata entonto so be wi nipa
Outrage nesemo waka nyina yi enti enedai se bia police ato ne nsafre Outrage sebra babia woka se omampani Mahama Elisa bai womusie na ntwe bako 32 no bra na babi sa na NPP fo womo abomodin akodina simpie so press freedom ne yemia ne kono kabi mami nkabi no yesai no President Mahama hunahuna nkrofo wahuna no kwa baby oti sa lady anano kabe and someone wonim oni wo evidence woni nyina so woni wo hwe but wahunu kwan a wafa so a wasesensem na wotini fie na woka wei but we will not allow anybody to then. But yeah, sir, and some way na one was so he for crown wabo bread then we na ya jana say okuta phone na wato bando de agusu ntino wo mo de offense anim na won didi mampani atama na won ka asem bi ope e fa kire mampani asa ne yan kire kuro no na mi bisa masem bisa eketo bi ayami ya abribia wo bi be sade we and me and Brempong I have to talk about it ayami ya to give them that mileage ayami ya but make abai omampani said these people they are people who are NPP for asada ka omagum and until yeti obi ape then you will see the general secretary of the party Justin Tripokoria you will see Nanabi you will see party national executives following that person to everywhere because one more keka same way agum penny for wufi agum penny wufi agum ban penny for wufi because a MPP for no osomo say abayo we semoka nyansa bianim samwa woka nyina nyansa ketekete say kuranim nyansa bianim asamwa si womampani anam so any team the affected areas nobody solutions at so and you sit in that home of yours and think and say maybe Kenya sasam I am going to do politics MPP for same way so let me go and do it and insult denigrate the president of the Republic of Ghana. Man, I will say San Kuala we mamu fio mubio wamu ntame mwase wamu nimshe dia omo ni mane se ye party abeka kire munko didi we atem munko ka se mwe ntire we no ma baba ye because when you get them arrested today the MPP will come there and make noise. Now they don't have anything doing. Just if Bokoria is free, Nanabi is free, Richard and Yagba is free, Coca Crado is free, see Obia. Woman is a 247. So, Omama will be ready the attempt. Nipano, a by friend one. Woman, you have a jam, but be a Nipano, Abaye the Diache, Yasin Nasa, Yatio Nipa. But before the last election, I call Munya over 40 million. Mumwahi and Abaye Yatuam. Mumwahi Munya 40 million. 4 million, sorry. Over 4 million people. At Wabamamo. Missy Mumwahi out of the 4 million Mumwahi. If a political witch hunting and the yet before Mumwahi and them. I showed you a model of quite way fast so crown and Kamoti Abonte Moyere. Monkamoti Abonte Mojedi. Samo, the model of my way fast some pure watching. I am the mammo. More before Kamoti Abonte Kamojedi. I was saying, na say ya joda ya insure toye na flood shasie we run crofo dem crofo market crofo nyumam na esori toti ye no the former vice president of the republic Alhaji Bawuya ekonante mia na hodo ni bi ekohweye actually kro be kasa say ebe yanka mabani John Dramani Mahama only declare state of emergency minim de ntia sa word na ye before that eldesa momo time aye bo nipa 82 ekuwom ewo aye first attachment south no mu declare state of emergency enipa akwakoto aba won onkuta ba won kuta dade onkuta tio NPP mreso won bo nipa 82 ekuwom attachment south and the former president another Akufo-Addo when declare state of emergency and Nana Tupac what yes jom chia enkrofo and ension yaba the usual promises na waka hwini akire no yenkwotie Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia on the 6th day of January 2026 ejato kantamanto ana amman benifo ko ho obi akobo nsra eti Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia nso ko ho bi na okose bo yenkohwe Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia 6 January 2026 ebo sha ode ko sha kantamanto ye be hwe so waya ye nwanbra.
Now as part of the security no a person made the cameras to cantonment the cameras no by the beko bibia obi abeko yebehu bia ewo cantonment they are tossing insurance group insurance for cantonment market because no here say yenya insurance no security as part of the security no a person made the cameras to cantonment the cameras no by the beko bibia obi abeko yebehu bia ewo cantonment they are tossing insurance group insurance for cantonment market because no here say yenya insurance no internal security as part of the security no the person made the cameras to cantonment the cameras no by the beko bibia obi abeko yebehu bia ewo cantonment they are tossing insurance group insurance for cantonment market because no here say yenya insurance no.
Alhaji Mahama Bawumia no is the former vice president of the Republic of Ghana who doubles as the flag bearer of the NPP in power otwatro bebre tisese ne newo twabi no in power wasi okosi airport wo Cape Coast okosi yabo Cape Coast oboa in power otwatro se wa airport olugudam oboa wanye entro no de bebre in power okase obe digitalize the national Ghana school feeding program oboa from 6th of January Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia ese saboy se wo kantamanto wo the cameras eba bebo ho afie we ya owia wa ye group insurance idiama adwumayefo e wo kantamanto yanko kantamanto misa wo bia wo say what is that one camera Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia eriabo and eno de ya esuato na wa sorry na wa pie of course uni be bia akosesia na ukwa nantia they ukwa can say you declare state of emergency efficiency. And with this attitude you want to leave this country as president of Ghana, right? Seriously, Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia was attitude way I'm afraid edidi mampania temwa wo yo matu now Jomo Bobo, you have done well, continue working hard for the party. You call this working hard. The Bible is some of the kind. You're telling me, but I'm never sman crofak or some good in it. I was ever see I didn't come out. I'm not PENDREAM TV. Now, so far, so good. Say, open online portal, a Ghana. Nipa share, Nipa follow, Nipa comment here. To my best of knowledge, without any biases, PENDREAM TV.